Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. Today, we're diving into a common issue that many Cinema HD users encounter: how to fix Cinema HD APK when it's not working. Whether you're facing buffering problems, crashes, or playback issues, we've got you covered with some effective solutions. Stick around to get your Cinema HD back up and running smoothly. Section 1. Check internet connection. First things first, let's ensure your internet connection is stable. Cinema HD requires a decent internet speed for smooth streaming. Here's what you can do. Check your Wi-Fi or mobile data. Make sure you have a strong and stable internet connection. Restart your router sometimes. A simple router restart can resolve connectivity issues. Section 2. Update Cinema HD APK. Outdated versions of Cinema HD can lead to performance issues. Here's how you can update it. Open Cinema HD. Check for any update prompts when you launch the app. Visit official website. Go to the official Cinema HD website to download the latest version. Reinstall the app. If updating doesn't work, try uninstalling and then reinstalling Cinema HD. Section 3. Clear cache and data. Clogged cache or excessive data can also cause Cinema HD to malfunction. Let's clean things up. Go to Settings, navigate to your device's settings, and find the Apps or Applications Manager. Find Cinema HD, locate Cinema HD in the list of installed apps. Clear cache, tap on Clear cache to remove temporary files. Clear data optional. You can also clear app data, but note this will reset your preferences and login details. Section 4. Check permissions. Sometimes Cinema HD may not function properly due to insufficient permissions. Let's make sure it has everything it needs. Go to App Permissions. In your device settings, find App Permissions or Permissions Manager. Grant all permissions. Enable permissions like storage, Wi-Fi, and any others Cinema HD requires to operate smoothly. Section 5. Update Android OS. An outdated Android operating system can also impact app performance. Here's how to keep it up to date. Go to Settings. Open your device settings. System updates. Look for system updates or software update. Check for updates. If there's an update available, download and install it. Section 6. Restart your device. When all else fails, a simple restart can work wonders. Restart your device. Power off your device completely. Wait a few seconds, then power it back on. Conclusion. And there you have it. These steps should help you resolve most issues with Cinema HD when it's not working. Remember, technology can be finicky sometimes. But with these tips, you'll be back to enjoying your favorite movies and shows in no time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching.